Hello everyone to 613 box breaks, the first break, and 9 breaks for the contest to win 2 tickets to either a Major League Baseball game, NFL game, NBA game, or a NHL game. Just spend and win the most listings per break, I guess. And just like the first contest, 2 tickets will be won. Today we are opening up a brand new sealed, factory sealed box of Zenith with the NE number of 9371115. You can see it is sealed everywhere. Let's get that open. Checklist. Dare to tear. 1, 2, 3. 7. And 10. Throw the checklist back in there. And good luck, everybody. We have base, base, base. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, Steve Mason. Nice one for Columbus. Base and base. And right off the top, we got a Crosby Z team, Pittsburgh. Nice one there. Base. Oilers mosaics with Magnus, Jordan, and Taylor Hall. It's a nice one there for sure. Doesn't have the materials, but it's still worth something decent. And decoy, base, base. And Clark MacArthur's been traded, but base, 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 decoy, base, and base. And base. For Florida, we have, out of $9.99, an autographed Jacob Markstrom. Buddy, go see mommy. Go see mommy. Go see mommy. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. And base, decoy, base, and base. And base, 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 decoy, base, and base. Base. Ha, that's pretty crazy. I haven't seen that before.
I go base.
Buddy, go. Go see Mommy. Hurry up. 2 for the exact same person. Rookie roll call. One with a jersey swatch. The other's not. Sergei Bobrovsky for the Flyers. That's pretty cool. And base and base. Base, 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 decoy, base, and base. And base. Have a red parallel for Nicholas Lindstrom, Detroit. And for Boston, Milan Lucic, Gifted Grinders. Nice one there. Decoy. And base, base. Base, base, base. Decoy. Base. Base. Buddy, go please. Go. Last of the regular packs, everybody. Good luck. Base. Base. Marc-Andre Fleury. Increases the word. This one for Pittsburgh. Decoy.
Yeah.
Base and base. Alright, time for the Dare to Tear.
Yeah.
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's Patrick Waugh. Alrighty. Daring to tearing. See what we got.
Okay.
Oh, for Ottawa. See that? Out of 99.
89.
Robin Lanier. I think it's Lanier. Rookie, autographed,
Yeah.
National Treasures.
The base. The base, Daddy.
Jeez, buddy. Nice one for Ottawa. Alright, well, thank you for joining me for this break, and I'll be doing the next box of Zenith next.
It's a bunny, Daddy.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.